This poor microwave. Mate, I gotta shatter the fucking plate in it, I swear. The plate's gonna shatter. I'll buy a new one on eBay. Oh my god! Plasma! This shit is so fun! See, look, it puts itself out, pretty much. Whoa! Is that the fucking plate? Do you know what? Maybe an asbestos tub. Oh, dude! You see, look, it's starting to be a bit less crazy now. That's probably because I've burnt so much stuff away that it just isn't... There's not really much there to react anymore. Mate, there's purples, greens, reds, blues, everything. Oh my god, the camera just does not do it justice at all. It legit smells like jet fuel. Oh, plasma! I love it! Best thing is, obviously, I'm in my tent, so if I burnt my tent down, well, at least those guys will survive, right? Probably me as well. But it's glowing like a light bulb. The wire's becoming incandescent. Aww. That's just the metal of the wire now. It's cool though. Light bulb in there still works. And it's the correct colour temperature as well. I hate those fucking... Oh, look, we've got more. I hate those horrible cold white bulbs. It makes the food look sickly. Maybe I'll... Yeah, I'll put it on medium high. I've got it on medium high, not even full blast. Guys, I had, right, the setup was, right, two of these things I made, right, out of the foil tins and that light bulb. And where the glass was shattered, I can smell it. That smells wonderful. Part of the glass started lighting up purple. Good thing I'm only defrost, so I'm not probably missing out on it too much. I'm gonna close this tent door because it's glaring the camera. There you go, that should be a lot better. I'll stand in the way, look. And the microwave's on. The light bulb isn't doing anything. Oh, yes it is. It's smoking a fucking lot. I don't want to fucking be close to it. Oh my god, there we go. I'm turning it off because I'm getting scared. I'd rather be sitting over there while it's doing it, watching it from a distance. We've got lots of nice lithium batteries here. They're not going in that though, I'm fucking too scared for that shit. Yeah, I need to be more comfortable with that first. Alright. And I've got master controls from my bedroom. So if anything goes wrong, I can turn it off from where I am. Look at that! That's just because of that fucking light bulb. You're like... I hate it. I absolutely hate it. And it's not going to get any better with these. Like, it is noxious in there. It is so poisonous. I wonder what I'm going to find when I open the door. Oh, God. I'm getting out of here. Oh, my God. Editor Shaquille here from Simbaku and sister channel, of course, Powarity. That what you're seeing is not smoke. It's just my camera is so messed up on this phone. Thank you guys very much for watching. And I will see you in part 3.